What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Pamela. Back today with another video. It's the whole crew. We all here. It is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Thank you for all who served. Yeah, so we are about to try Chili's again today. Hopefully we are successful. Yes, we do. Nana was with us today. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it. Because we know you're gonna like it here. So yeah, we're just gonna spend the day again today. So it happened again, you guys. They are still only seating 4 or less, which is so crazy. So I don't think we'll be patronizing this Chili's anymore. Yeah, well, anytime soon, because that's just crazy. So we're gonna find somewhere else to eat.
Bench warmer. Bench warmer.
Oh, you like the corn dogs?
Yeah.
We're at Golden Corral. Sounds like chill. About to go in Walmart. No, you gotta keep. You gotta hop on. This ain't no stopping. It's a hop and go. Hop and go. I need a baby, you give me one of the bags for the bell pepper. Sit. Oh, I forgot the cups. Oh. Let's see, somebody come and get these cups for me.
What?
Cups way down there. Back there. Let's see. Right back here.
Yeah, they need to change.
Thank you. I'm about to turn around and get some milk now.
I see your ass.
I see you. We see each other. Yeah, okay. Laundry? Laundry? No, don't have one at the house. I wanted to go to Publix to get the one for buy one, get one free. They got Arm & Hammer. What is that? Oh.
Get the chocolate milk. Get the chocolate milk.
I'm about to get some cheese. Not that cheap cheese, like I say.
Get some cheese.
Get me that. Crab.
Bad cheese. That's gross.
Boy, hush. Bum, bum, bum.
Lunchables.
Look at the ice molds. What is this? Oh, this is a sandal flip-flop ice mold. Stars. Ice cream. Look at these. That's the same thing. Oh, that's the same. That's cute. And it's shaped like a little flip-flop.
No.
Why you need that? I need 2 of them. That's, thank you. When your husband and walked off, you gotta have your son stand up here. Yeah, he over there. Over there.
Mommy.
Okay. All right, now we can go to the other side. Hold on to my list, okay?
Okay.
Thank y'all. I just had Lil C get up there to get me the things. How about you seen me waving for you to come this way?
If we go out on anniversary, what shirt you get those now?
This one.
You think so?
You asked me a question, I gave you an answer. I'm just saying. Oh, see, I'm about to get me one of these. Oh. Don't. Do they have my... Oh. I think I'm going to go ahead and get this right here. Oh, they got the... I'm going to get the blue Hawaiian. Oh, they got the pina colada. Oh. So I don't know. taking a little breather. I'm sitting down.
See, I'm good.
Oh my God.
My knees and my back.
I'm good.
It's like when I come to the grocery store with everybody, I get tired. What y'all have going on? What you got? What that thing? What it did? It hurt you? It shocked. Who? I shocked you? What a buggy? Oh, my bracelet? Oh, I don't know. Ooh. What do you guys have going on this Memorial Day? We have been to. We went to eat at Golden Corral. Then we went to Dollar Tree, which have a Dollar Tree haul coming. And now we're at Walmart. After Walmart, we are headed to the Creepy Crib. I do need to go to Publix and Kroger for a few things, but I'm going to go during the week. So they around for some more shopping videos. Who's talking about the game?
Oh.
So yeah.
What the?
Alright, CG Crew, we are leaving Walmart. This video probably was all over the place, but we still think you're gonna like it here. Oh, hopefully there's stuff on the fall. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am standing in for my mom. We just got back from Walmart, so I thought I should just do a haul today. So we have some Fruit Loops and Honey Nut Cheerios. We have 2 apple cinnamon oatmeals. We have some sausages, some canola oil back there. We have 3 packs of stacked chips. We have 2 packs of thick and fluffy waffles. We have some chicken breasts. We have 2 bags of cheddar popcorn. We have 2 deluxe macaronis. We have some cheese. We have some brown rice. We have some onions, eggs, lactose-free milk. We have apple juice, cranberry juice, red, white, and blue sparkling water. We have some wheat bread, broccoli, bacon, ground beef, mom's adult drinks. We have some regular milk. We have 2 ginger ales. We have some eggs, some bell peppers back there, some ramen noodles, some brownies, some oatmeal cream pies, and we have some tomato sauce back there. We have some rigatoni pasta as well. And I forgot to mention the bananas. Yeah, and if we have some roast chicken ramen. Roast chicken. Yeah, that's it, guys. So, oh, and we have some syrup, some maple syrup, Mrs. Butterworth's. So, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a nice comment. We will very much appreciate that. And we know you're gonna like it here.